Damn. Y'all ain't know we had a club next door to this bed. Yeah. Hey. Get it. Cha-cha. Step one time. Nigga, you know, we had that club next door, that reggae club. You ain't even know about that, man. I'm hyped, man. I got certain crews in this bud. Man, he up there. You a Robotoy for real? He just standing there like, I'm gonna need you to turn up one time. I know you gotta get out your element, dog. For real. What nigga Jeezy going? Hit that. One time, wave step. Dude. That's it. He should hit it with that Cam Newton one time, dog. Like this, how much is this?
Oh, you just knew you didn't have to call it. Yeah.
Hit the beat. Can you hit the beat one time? That shit go hard. He started from the top. Shit. That shit, you.
Wow.
Shit.
How you gonna dish your boy like that?
You gotta get somebody get him back motivated.
We did shoulders and biceps. We opted to do that because we had so much. Just didn't have a lot to work with here in a small hotel gym. It's cool. It's